Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read Peppa Pig book, Little Library. Peppa's family. Peppa Pig's family loves different things. Have some tea, dollies. Peppa loves her doll's house. George loves Mr. Dinosaur. Roar, dinosaur. Mommy Pig loves her computer. Tap, tap, tap. Neddy Pig loves his car. Let's go for a drive. Granny Pig loves her parrot. Pretty Polly. Grandpa Pig loves his wheelbarrow. Time to dig up the carrots. Peppa and Grandpa Pig love making vegetables grow. Peppa at home. There are lots of fun things to do at home. Peppa eats spaghetti in the kitchen. Yummy, yummy, oink. Peppa plays hide and seek in the sitting room. Coming, George. Peppa and George have splashy time in the bathroom. The bubbles are tickly. Peppa and George have bunk beds. Night night, George. Good night, Peppa Pig. Peppa's friends. Peppa loves dressing up, so do her friends. Peppa is a fairy. I can do magic. Susie Sheep is a nurse. I will make you better. Danny Dog is a pirate. I am looking for buried treasure. Pedro Pony is a clown. I can make you laugh. Candy Cat is a witch. I can do spells. Rebecca Rabbit is a carrot. Like carrots. Peppa has lots of fun dressing up with her friends. Peppa's favorite things. Peppa Pig has lots of favorite things. Chocolate cake. Delicious. Her new red shoes. Cling cling. Spaghetti. I am going to hide this in my tummy. Her secret box. Can you guess what's inside? Grrr. Bedtime stories. And her teddy, you're so cuddly. But her favorite things of all are muddy puddles. Peppa at playgroup. Peppa is busy at playgroup. Good morning, Peppa. Her teacher is called Madam Gazelle. Peppa sees all her friends at playgroup. Susie, Danny, Candy, Rebecca, Pedro. Peppa likes painting pictures. Do you like my very pretty flower? Peppa's favorite lesson is ballet. Peppa loves going to playgroup. I am graceful ballerina. Peppa's Garden. Peppa Pig likes playing in the garden. She rides her bicycle with her friends. Whee! She has picnics with George. Teddy says I can have cookies. She helps Grandpa Pig grow fruits and vegetables. Yummy, yummy strawberries. She plays Piggy in the middle. Throw it to me, Mummy. Being in the garden is much fun. Thank you for watching. See you soon with the next story. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.